Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the Microsoft Store and the Xbox app with the error code 0x80D03002. Something unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait, try again, or restart your device. This error typically points to a failure in the communications of the applications with the Microsoft servers, which may happen if cache files or temporary data get corrupted. It may also result from improperly configured system settings, outdated features, and conflicting software and apps functionality. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu in here at search for apps, and then we need to type this command keyword wsreset, and then you can see now here this is the run command, and then click open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this command keyword ws resets to reset or back to default this Microsoft Store and fix the error. Alright, so once you do this at the Microsoft Store, and the other solutions we will do is the check date and time settings. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type control panel, and then click open. So once you open up this control panel, at top right corner, and then you can see this category and click this arrow, and then you need to select the large icons to see all settings. And then next step, then you need to select date and time, and then pop up this date and time settings. And next step, then you need to select this internet time, so click. So here at internet time, and then you need to select this change settings. So here at internet time settings, configure internet time settings, and then we need to check this synchronize with an internet time server. So check this box and then click update now, and then you need to restart again, so click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Store and Xbox app with the error code 0x80D03002. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.